One more hour. Oh, it's been a windy night. There's a couple of things I like better with my tent. When it's really windy, it can be a struggle to sleep in a hammock because the tarp is pulling and janking and make a lot of noise. Aside from that, oh, I sleep like a baby in this hammock. Sometimes those damn air plugs won't. It covers one ear, but the other ear is just woo woo woo. So when you're driving, it gets insane. Today my plan is to go up to Flekkefjord and look at the famous Serpent Road. Hopefully the weather will stick like this for a couple of more hours, because it's the weather forecast says it's going to be really shitty weather later today. The weather is changing fast and bad, so this section of the road I need to come back another day when it's really good weather, because this valley here, it's amazing. heard rumors about some really great bonds, I would say. Well.
Inside myself, I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers, feel like we're far apart. Stripping down new, stripping down new.
I get a lot of questions about how I wash when I'm out on the trails and out on my adventures. I have a dry bag and I put everything in here. Water approximately 30 degrees. Ah, come on. A little bit of, yeah, here in Norway we call it Milo. It's like washing, liquid washing stuff for wool. I just turn the bag a couple of times. 3 or 5 minutes. The best thing is to do it in a river, but after I've soaked it good in water with soap, I take it out and I rinse it with fresh water, so you take away all the soap in it. And then I just twist it up and hang it up to dry. That is an easy way to wash your gear. And because of that, I can just take with me one extra shift on my trips. So every time I'm, one is getting dirty, I kind of change it and wash it, and it dries really fast. Wool is exceptional in that kind of way.